Hi guys, welcome back to the Java class. In today's session, you will learn a very important problem statement of multiple inheritance that is known as a diamond problem statement. In the previous session video, we have covered what is multiple inheritance and how will you implement multiple inheritance through interface in Java programming language. In this session, you will understand what is a diamond problem statement. What is it? So diamond problem statement you can understand with the help of this example here. So in this example, we have a abstract parent class that is known as the vehicle, and then we have a class car and truck. These classes extending the vehicle class. Then we have another class that is a hybrid truck class, which extends a class car and truck. All these classes have a common method that is start engine. The class car and truck have overridden the method start engine and provided their own logic inside it. So the question is how to override the start engine method inside a hybrid truck class. No, you can't override it, right? You can't override the start engine method directly inside hybrid truck class. Why? Because here it will create the ambiguity because we have two parent class, the class car and truck, which has the same method start engine and start engine, right? So which one method to override inside a hybrid truck class? So here compiler itself will be confused and will not be able to decide whether to call start engine method of a car class or start engine method of a truck class. So here in this problem statement, the compiler will not be able to decide which method to be called, whether it is from a car class or from a truck class. So compiler will be confused, and that's why this problem leads to the ambiguity problem. And here we can say Java doesn't support multiple inheritance in Java, right? So what is the alternative solution of it? So here you can see the alternative solution of it. You can understand with the help of an example. We can have a similar kind of alternative solutions or implementation with the help of interfaces in Java programming language. So we can implement a class with any number of interfaces. It is already supported in Java. So here you can make your vehicle class as interface. You can make your class car and truck as interface. Now in this scenario, hybrid truck class can implement any number of interfaces and provide the definition of overridden methods. So you can see this kind of scenario is, in the shape of a diamond. That's why we are just saying this is a diamond kind of problem. Let us understand with the help of an example in the Eclipse. Let us move to the Eclipse. So here we have created a vehicle interface. Then we have a car interface that is extending the vehicle interface. Then we have created a truck interface that is extending the vehicle interface. Now this is a hybrid truck. This is right now independent class, but it will implement, right? It will implements, both the interface, that is the interface car. I will write here car and truck. This one, right? So here you can see the implement spelling is wrong. We can make it correct. So this is implements, right? So this is implements. This is implements. So here, what can you see here? Here is a vehicle class that is a, this is not a class, this is a vehicle interface that has a default method, start engine. Now in the car class, let me just override the start engine method. So you can go to the source here, right? Note this part. You can go to the source, you can click on override unimplemented method, or you can select the start engine method of a vehicle interface. So here you can see you have overridden the method, the start engine. or you can provide your own definition inside it also. Like for example, system dot out dot print ln, or inside it you can just display the car is starting. The car is starting, right? So in the similar way, you can go to the truck interface, and inside it you can override the methods of the super interfaces or the parents interfaces. Here you can see this is the start engine also, or you can provide your own definition also. I will just copy this part and I will just paste here, right? And you can simply display the truck is starting. Now come to the main class, that is a hybrid truck class. Now it is showing the compiler is complaining here. This override default method in the car. So you can see here how to resolve this problem. So hybrid truck class is implementing two interfaces, that is a car and truck. And both the car and truck has a method, default method, that is start engine. So how will you resolve this problem? You can just override default method inside a car. You can see this is the way to override the method, public void start engine. So here you have two options. You can just remove this part, or you can provide your own definition of the start engine method, right? Or you can call the methods which is present inside the car interface and the truck interface. So in the similar way, so let me just save this part and come to the main class. So here inside the main class, we will create an object of hybrid truck, right? Hybrid truck is equal new hybrid truck, right? And here you can see hybrid truck dot start engine, you can call this, right? You will save your program and you will run it. Let's see what will be the output. So here we go. You can see what is the output here, right? You can see it is showing vehicle is starting and the car is starting. So because in the hybrid truck class, we have not called the version or the method which is present inside the truck. If you would like to call the method start engine of a truck class, you can simply write the truck dot super dot start engine, right? Or you can still provide your own definition of it also, that is the hybrid truck is starting, hybrid truck is starting, right? You can provide your own definition also inside it. So that is the problem. How will you solve it? You will come to the diamond, that is the main problem, and here just run your program and you will see the output. Here we go. You can see it is showing vehicle is starting, it is showing the car is starting, then again it is calling the methods of the vehicle interface, vehicle is starting and truck is starting, and it is showing the message which is you are displaying inside the hybrid truck is starting. So this is the way how will you implement the diamond problem. So what we have done so far, let me just summarize it. So here we have a vehicle interface, that is a parent interface and contains a default method, that is a start engine. Next you have a class car. This is not a class, another interface that is extending the vehicle. In the similar way, you are just overriding the start engine method inside this interface. Inside truck interface, you are again overriding the start engine methods and you are providing your own definition of it also. Inside the hybrid truck, which is implementing the car and truck, or you are calling the methods of the car and truck interface and you are providing your own definition inside it. Now in the main class, you are just creating an object of hybrid truck and you are just calling the start engine method and this output is here. So this is how will you just achieve the multiple inheritance through interface, and how can you solve the problem of the diamond problem in Java programming language through the interfaces, right? So class can implement any number of interfaces. So I hope you understand this concept of the multiple inheritance and you enjoyed this session. Thank you guys. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.